Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to refresh TradingView chart step by step. Click the reload icon at the top of the chart or press Ctrl plus R to force an update, check your time frame and data source, and clear any active drawing tool filters. If prices still lag, open the symbol menu and reselect the instrument, then toggle the real-time data feed off and on to re-establish a fresh connection. Start with a soft refresh by using the chart's built-in reload button, then confirm timeframe accuracy and indicator settings. If issues persist, clear your browser cache or switch browsers to isolate local problems. Use the data window to verify incoming ticks and consider reconnecting your brokerage or data subscription to ensure real-time updates resume smoothly. Also save a workspace snapshot before making changes and label layouts to prevent losing custom setups. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, link in description. It pairs nicely with trading alerts and soft sound cues to keep you focused without distraction. Check the description for the link and other deals, and also use gentle tones for alerts. Now let's get back to the video. Keyboard shortcut speed refreshes. Use Ctrl plus R for a quick reload and Shift plus R to refresh all chart tabs. Temporarily disable heavy indicators or reduce historical bars to restore responsiveness, then re-enable one at a time to find the offender. For persistent data gaps, check your internet health and contact your data provider with a clear timestamp and symbol to resolve feed inconsistencies faster. Keep a log of changes so you can reproduce problems and share details when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.